Welcome back to Let's Think and Choose. Today we're going to talk about Sudoku and semantic relationship puzzles. A very simple and basic example of a Sudoku puzzle. So basically in each row you should have one apple, one cherry and one banana. There should not be any repetition on the rows or columns. So if we have one apple here, so we should not have any apple there, there or there, because it will be in the same row and column as apple. If we have one apple there, so the next apple can be there, or yeah, can be there, because if we put another apple in here, so there's no way to do that. So, and also in each column and row there should be an apple. There should be one apple, and also there should be one cherry or banana. So let's go and find the answer for these ones. What will be the other shapes? Here we go. This is the complete form of the puzzle and the answers. So we have one apple there, so then we don't have any apple in this row or in this column anymore, so there's only one. And also we have only one banana there, so there's no banana in this row and then no banana in this column, as well as the cherry. There is nothing, no cherry there or there. So we should have one of each shapes in one column and row, and there should not be any repetition. One banana, and then one banana, one cherry, one cherry. This is a really simple and easy example of Sudoku to know the concept of a Sudoku. This is our first example of numerical Sudoku. So as you can see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers. So instead of the shapes like banana, cherry, and apple, we have numbers now, and we have to complete the row and the columns and put the numbers in each cell. So how we are gonna start with what is given. Look at the numbers already placed in the grid. This provides clues for where to begin. And secondly, we are gonna identify missing numbers. Examine each row, column, and subgrids to identify missing numbers. Scan to see what numbers are already present and what numbers are yet to be placed. As we can see, we have 1, 3. Which numbers are we missing? 2 and 4. We're missing in this column 1, 2, 3, 4. So we need to have 1, 4 and 1, 2. And in here we can see we don't have much numbers, so we're gonna start with the row or column that we have the most information about that. Start with rows, columns, or subgrids that we have more numbers placed already. These often provide more clues and make it easier to deduce the missing numbers. So I will give you time to figure out what numbers are going to be placed there, and then I will show you the answers and I will explain it for you. I hope you think with yourself and find an answer. Now we're gonna, here we are, the answers for the basic and easy example of a Sudoku puzzle. We had just only 1 and 3 at the first time, and then we had these 3 and these 4 and 2, and now we figure out the rest of it. So I will explain for you how we did it. So we have only 1 and 3, but the numbers, as we can see, we have 2 and 4 as well. So the numbers are a set of from 1 to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we only have 1 and 3 there, so we need to have 2 and 4 in this column. So 1 3. So if we put 2 there, it will be right, because if we put 2 there, we have 1 2 already in this row, so it will not be it, right? So we put the 2 there, and then we have to put 4 there, because this column should be a set of 1 2 3 4 completely. So we have these ones, and then in here we just had 4 and 2. So we can see that we need to have 1 and 3. So if we put 1 there, it will be right, because we don't have any 1 in this row. But if we put it here, so we have 1 there, so this will not obey the Sudoku rules. So we put 1 there and then 3 there. So, and the rest we just completed the same. We just check the rows and columns that we don't have any repetition of the numbers, and our Sudoku puzzle is solved. A Sudoku with shapes, we have a triangle, diamond shape, a circle, and like a star shape. And we're gonna solve this puzzle. How we're gonna solve? As I said, you have to remember first, you have to think what you are given. So you are given 4 shapes, and then you have to start with the row or column that you have the most information about it, because you can find more clues about it. So you can see you have a diamond there, and then a circle there. So this is the most information that you have from a row. So you are gonna start from this one, and you are gonna place the other 2 shapes in there. So if you have a triangle there, so you cannot put the triangle again there, because it will be repeated. So you have to put the triangle, this triangle there. And then if you have a star there, so you cannot put it there, so it should go there. So this will be like that. There should be no repetition, and you have to complete 1 row or column first, that you can go to the others. So this is time for you to think and complete the puzzle. Absolutely, you're right if you did it like this, and I'm sure you did it like this. So this is our answer for the puzzle, and we already placed everything there. And if you have like these, the same answer, and it's matching, you are right. And absolutely, you will be right, and you're such a smart. Believe yourself.